college set up Raffles Privato since 2010. It is an incubator project aimed at assisting up-and-coming designers to establish their own private label in support of talented Singapore-based and trained designers and Singapore fashion industry. Besides being a designer and business owner, we would also like to use this platform to champion the social causes that are close to our hearts through our business models. This ready-to-wear collection is a commercialized design of my graduation collection. The idea behind it was the challenges of children's over-reliance on gadgets. So in our digital world, it's become increasingly clear that children are spending more time in front of screens and less time engaging with their environment. This shift has sparked growing concerns about how technology affects young minds. To counteract these trends, my collection incorporates textures like pleats and tucks, encouraging tactile explorations for the younger generation. The aim is to stimulate the senses that have been dulled by excessive screen time, fostering a renewed appreciation for sensory experience. And these collections serve as a reminder to disconnect from technology and reconnect with ourselves, each other, and the world around us. Raffles Design is a truly an international college located in Singapore. We study in a cultural, diverse environment with 26 nationalities, and we learn from an international pool of creative practitioners, each imparting their knowledge, skills, and work experience to smoothen our learning curve from student to design professionals. We get to network with our peers from and across all disciplines who are studying at Raffles and establish ourselves as an international designer in the future.